This is the Morrison County Food Shelf Fundraiser Final Weekly Update. Well, you've been busy bringing in your donations and your teachers tallying up your points. And who is the top class for this final week? It is Mrs. Bellig's first graders, bringing in 330 points worth of items. That's awesome. A sweet treat will be delivered to your classroom today. And at Lincoln Elementary, how many points have we all brought in together? 508. That is fantastic. Thank you for bringing in those donations so that nobody in Morrison County goes hungry, but instead has a full tummy. And with 508 items, you should be very, very proud. And remember to drop down in the foyer because those food items have been growing and growing and growing. And how many items have we all brought in together over these weeks? Well, the first four would be 1,819 plus this past week of 508 equals 2,327 points of items. That is awesome. Way to go. And Mr. Edgerton, he is going to be very busy bringing all those items. And he says, well done, Lincoln Elementary. Fantastic job. This is the Morrison County Food Shelf Fundraiser Weekly Update.